Hey, Mike McGroarty here from Mike'sBackyardNursery.com. I want to show you, this is another example of turning a shrub into a tree hydrangea. This is actually, move your head, Finn. This is actually an Annabelle hydrangea. We actually had real small liners. We potted them up, and then Pam took a bunch of them and trimmed them up single stem. So basically, all she did was, don't eat my plant, you crazy mule. Yeah, all right, take a bite. So anyway, all she did was picked one stem and removed all the lower branches, which you can see. Here, you got some? All right, you can see where she took the branches off here. So now here's a bud here, and I always talk about one finger pruning. This is a bud here that's going to turn into a branch, and now it's not. Just as simple as that. You can wipe away buds where you don't want them. I'm going to plant this out back, and eventually I'm going to start removing some more of these lower branches so I can get more height out of this thing. But anyway, real easy to turn just almost any flowering shrub into a single stem tree. Select one strong leader and stake it with a bamboo or some kind of a plant stake that you can get at just about any garden center, and just tie it up to that, and then start trimming it and keep removing any buds that show up. And then eventually you can start taking off some of these more of these lower branches. So I'll do that right here. I'm going to take that one and that one, and I think I'll take that one. So now as this thing grows taller, I may remove some more of those. So anyway, that's a crash course in creating a tree hydrangea. I'm Mike McGroarty from Mike'sBackyardNursery.com. Now right below this video, I'll put a link, because I got another page about this. So there'll be a link to the, and that way if you have questions or comments, comment on my blog, Mike'sBackyardNursery.com. I don't go to YouTube and answer questions. I just can't. I don't have the time. So, but I do respond to questions every day on the blog. So anyway, Mike McGroarty from Mike'sBackyardNursery.com. You got a mouthful of dirt, you crazy mule. All right, thank you.